Oh my goodness. Off the rip.
Sipping on my lean and I'm
What's up, gang? We are back at it again with another video. Same old familiar spot, but today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We've been focusing a lot on bass lately, and I think I want to give something else a shot. Some of these ponds that I go to, they have a lot of really aggressive sunfish in them, and it's getting hot out here, guys. Like, it's getting really hot. It's, you know, we're in Texas, middle of the day. You know, these lunchtime fishing sessions are getting a little tough at times, and you know, it's not a bad thing. You know, the bass are still biting, but they are definitely getting a little bit tougher to get to. And yeah, I want to do a little brim fishing. So man, we brought an ultralight today. And I also brought a fluke, and I want to focus primarily on fishing some different techniques, you know, just maybe just some multi-species type stuff, you know, just try to get some different fish on the line, get some different stuff for y'all to see. And yeah, so we're gonna get this thing tied on, we're gonna get this thing casting out here, we're gonna see if we can get us a couple brim on the line. So we're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro and we're gonna roll right into it. This is something that I don't really throw very often, and yeah, I had planned on bringing some other smaller, oh man, that line's all torn up right there. Hopefully we don't get a break off right there. The line's probably gonna break. Or maybe not, that's a spider web. Never mind, we're good. Now, ultralight is something that I don't really throw a lot, or at least as often as I probably should. But yeah, let's see if we can get us some brim on the line today. Ooh, got a bump right there. They're chasing it. They're chasing it. Got one right there. Got us one. A nice little sunfish right there. Off the rip. Look at that little dude. These guys are so aggressive, man. And they just absolutely just hammer it every time. That little dude right there, man. Good looking little sunfish. Nice bluegill. Oh, on back out there, player. There's definitely some bigger ones in here. This pond, I'm not really sure. This is the first time I've ever tried sunfish in this pond, but well, this is the first time I've ever tried fishing for sunfish. What's up, brother? How you doing? And you scared me, man. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever tried fishing for sunfish in this body of water. We caught a really nice size one over in the pond across the street. So let's see if they're still hungry.
Some nice ones in here.
Oh yeah, there's definitely nice ones in here. I caught a 6-pounder out of here. Right over there off the edge of that little runoff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I switched up to like a watermelon with a red flake.
Yeah?
And it's been gobbling up.
Really? Yeah, I brought a fluke with me too.
Just right him.
Oh.
Ooh, there you go. What line you got on there?
6 pound. Oh my goodness. I think that might be a bass.
I think so.
That is a bass, guys. Oh my goodness. We just got a largemouth bass on our ultralight. Oh my goodness, come on, dude. And that's a solid one too. That is a solid fish. Oh, don't take me, don't take me. Don't take me. Oh, that is a good fish. Oh my goodness. All right, yeah, get that grass over your face. That'll calm you down. Guys, wow. Wow. Chill, bro, chill. Chill, chill. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, we just cranked in a largemouth bass on an ultralight, 6-pound test, First time ever getting a bass on an ultralight. Munched my freaking...
That drag was going crazy.
Going nuts, man. Absolutely nuts. Look at that guy right there, man. That is a solid largie.
Pretty fish too. They got great color.
On the ultralight. Guys, that right there is amazing. That's something so serious right there. 6 pound test gets it done. First time, man. You talk about getting the blood pumping. That right there is it all day long. You want to come down here for the release? Yeah, let's get this guy back in the water. So awesome. That right there is what it's all about, guys. First time ever getting a bass on an ultralight. It wasn't my expectation to come out here and catch a largie. I knew that the possibility was there, especially in the body of water like this. I mean, especially in this pond, I mean, there's a ton of really good bass in here. There's also a lot of really good brim in here as well. But my expectation was to come here and catch brim. But hey man, I'll take a largie any day. That right there was awesome. So let's get back to it and let's get another one on the line. Yeah, dude, that was super awesome.
Sorry, I messed up the video.
Oh no, you're straight, man.
No, this was that.
Oh yeah, watermelon red.
They just been gobbling this up, and then caught a couple of nice ones, like, you know, decent sized ones. So I switched it up to this. I just started throwing this.
Oh yeah, the bigger one.
Yeah, but
yeah, I've got a.
I've probably gone through 5 of these already since I've been here.
Yeah.
Just because they're so soft.
Yep. Those ones. What brand is those?
The Kevin Van Dam's.
Yeah, those are the ones. They're made with that really soft plastic.
And they look so lifelike in the water.
Yeah. Oh, another largie. We just got another largie on the. He's much smaller than that first one that was. Oh. Chill, bro, chill, bro, chill, bro, chill, bro, chill, bro, chill, bro. Chill. And the release. It's all right. Nothing wrong with a good old-fashioned quick release. Those little ones are always the most aggressive. Oh my goodness. Off the rip. Literally, as soon as I hit the water, we got smacked. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you grab the camera? This is a good one. Oh my goodness. Oh my, dude, it's 2 of them side by side. Like there's another one that's like, there's like, oh my. There, it's recording. Oh my God, dude, there's like 3 bass right there. Oh my God. Come on, dude, come on. Come up. There's another one that's right behind him that's just like following him. Dude, it literally, he smacked it as soon as it hit the water. Come on, calm down. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. They're schooling right there. Come here, bro. Oh, come. Oh, chill. I don't want you to pop my line. Oh, oh my God. Dude, that is another one on the freaking ultralight. Holy crap. That is so freaking awesome, man. Oh, that's so awesome. That's absolutely amazing, man. So freaking awesome. Let's get this hook out of this guy. No, it's right here in the back of his tongue. There we go. Dude, look at that right there. Well, that's bleeding from his lip. That right there is a solid freaking chunk, guys. On the ultralight, he's bleeding a little bit, so we're not gonna keep him out of the water very long. Got him right in the tongue, the top of his pad right here. So that's bleeding a little bit, but we're gonna get this guy back out there in the water, man.
Get him back out there.
Jesus. Go ahead, dude. There we go, man. Oh my God. That's so freaking awesome. That is so awesome.
I'm telling you, big fish.
Guys, that right there. If y'all aren't throwing an ultralight and you haven't caught a bass, man, I mean, that's my first time, man. That's second time today, but this has never happened before, and that right there is something special. I mean, and the whole time I'm cranking him in, there was two other ones that were literally just, they were following him like, what's happening with you, man? What's going on? Are you stuck on something? They were right behind him. And I mean, we literally just tossed that right out there. As soon as it hit the water, it swam sideways. I mean, literally, as soon as it touched the water, it was gone. So, yeah, and they were schooled up right side by side with each other. So this right here is, oh man, that right there is, you see that? That's what it's all about, guys, right there. We came out here for brim, and we're getting bass on an ultralight today. All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits with that right there, man. We caught two solid freaking bass on that bad boy right there, an ultralight combo. It's got a Shimano Sienna on there. I think it's like a 50 or something like that, really small. And that freaking rooster tail right there is what got it done. I think we only got one bluegill today on the line, but that's what we came to target, and it ended up turning into a bass fishing slaunch fest. So yeah, man, shouts out to my buddy Andy over there. Just met him. He fishes this spot pretty regularly, it looks like, and yeah, man, he helped me out behind the camera, so a lot of those external shots were thanks to him. Man, what can I say, man? Today was an awesome day. So we're gonna get back to work, man. Our lunch break is over with, and we're gonna get back up here and finish out this Friday and get to the house and enjoy this weekend. So as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback, and check back in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, on the next video. Peace.